What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Josh here, coming at you with either business books, tech, some form of a review, or life hack, or something like that. Just want to let you know, if you're new here, that's what I do. And if you can, take a minute, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and knock the notification bell. That way you can get notified every time we release a new message or a video, just like this. And today I have an unboxing video for you because I got something about 2 days early, and it is the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Woo! So we're gonna go on this journey. Let's do it. Get my handy dandy knife out here. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this on open so we can get this puppy open. All right, I have the 256 gig Aura Glow, in case you're wondering. So we're gonna go ahead and open that up. And if you look in the lid right here, it comes with your usual Samsung stuff, you know, books and things like that, with a SIM ejector tool. And we'll put that off to the side. Actually, I'll keep that there for a minute. And then, of course, you have the phone itself. And woo, yeah, does look quite pretty. Tell you what, yeah. Check out them colors, right? So we have the phone. And then, of course, we have our fast charger. Now this phone is capable of doing 25 watts fast charging with this. And if you want to spend the extra $50, you can get the 45 watt fast charger as well. Of course, they have your, you have your USB-C to USB-C cable. And of course, you have your AKG earbuds. And because there is no headphone jack in this, which I will do a review on this after I spend some time with it, they went ahead and threw the USB-C on there. I've heard a lot of great things about these earbuds, and I'm excited to try them out. I'm more of a wireless earbud user, but I will definitely give those a shout so I can accurately do a review. And of course, they come with this little extra box that you can open up, and you have your regular USB to USB-C, so USB-A to USB-C, and then you have some, of course you have some nibs for your S Pen, as well as the nib extraction tool. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that all back, and I will show you really quick what we have right here. And there's gonna be, wow, all of this stuff right here. It is crazy how much stuff is here. And of course, like I said, no headphone jack. Of course, you get your S Pen, which is right here. Go ahead and hit that out. You can pull that out right there, just like that. Ooh, fancy S Pen right there. So, yeah, pretty exciting stuff right here, wouldn't you say? I think so. But yeah, anywho, this is Josh, again, your boy, coming at you, business, books, tech reviews, some form of review for you. And this is an unboxing video. Again, feel free to hit the subscribe button, like, comment, share what you'd like me to do next, and look forward to seeing you next time. Peace.